Hi, today I'll show you how to make an easy, delicious, and surprisingly filling cooked eggplant salad, even without any meat or dairy. Welcome to my channel, Cooking Show at Home. You'll find the full list of ingredients in the description below. If you enjoy simple, healthy recipes like this one, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work. Let's get started. First, we'll cook 2 medium eggplants. There's no need to peel them, just cut off the tips. Place the eggplants into a pot large enough to fit them comfortably. Cover with water and bring to a boil. While the eggplants are cooking, finely dice 1 medium onion. Remove the white cores from 3 tomatoes. I'm using Roma tomatoes, but any ripe, firm tomatoes will work. And dice them. Chop about 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the heat and cover the pot with a lid. Cook the eggplants for about 10 to 12 minutes until soft. Meanwhile, transfer all the chopped vegetables into a large mixing bowl. When the eggplants are ready, check them with a knife. They should be tender. Drain the water, then carefully cut the eggplants into about 1-inch chunks. Be careful, they'll still be hot. Add the eggplant pieces to the bowl with the vegetables. Pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Toss everything gently until well combined. This salad can be served warm right away or chilled after refrigerating. Enjoy it as a light main dish or serve it over rice or quinoa for a hearty vegan meal. Enjoy! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next recipe.